Good morning, Miss Neville Science students. Here is our weekly check-in. I wanted to talk to you guys about what today's instruction will look like. As you know, today is December 17th, Thursday, and I wanted to let you guys know what science class will look like today. Because Miss Neville has missed live sessions for 5 days, we're going to have a full 76-minute science class with all science students. How will we do that? Well, today's regularly scheduled science class starts at 12:28. What we're going to do is I'm going to only open up that one class for my science first period students, and I'm going to delete the class for my science 2 second period students and send those students the link to our class. So let me say that again. We'll have a full 76-minute class today for science to make up for a lot of stuff that we've missed. And then I'm going to send out an email to my second period science students. That's the ones who have the bonfire on their Teams picture. And you need to check your school email because Miss Neville's going to send you a link to today's class. I look forward to seeing everyone there, but as I know, the holidays are coming up, so some of you may not be able to attend a full 76-minute science class today. So the lesson will be recorded for you and posted on Schoology as soon as I can. Okay? I want you to make sure you have your science notebook, your pencil. I'm still trying to answer questions about projects. First period science grades have been updated for the most part. Second period science grades are about to start getting updated right now. If you have any questions for Ms. Neville, please contact me through Teams today. I'm available all day until 4:30, or email me or hit me up on Remind. I look forward to seeing all of my science students in class today. Bye.